Hello everyone, let's learn the topic Parts of Cell by Professor Sabashir. So this is a very good diagram which explains the parts of cell. So we have divided the cell into three main parts. So that part include plasma membrane, then we have cytoplasm, and the third one is the nucleus. Okay, so let's see one by one. So plasma membrane, this one. So this is that blue color, this one is the plasma membrane. So plasma membrane form the cell flexible outer surface separating the cell internal environment from the external environment. That means it act as a barrier, okay? एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट और इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट को सेपरेट करेगा. ओके, it is a selective barrier that regulate the flow of material into and out of the cell and maintain the appropriate environment for the normal cell activity. Clear? So this plasma membrane play a very vital role as a barrier internal and external environment to separate the internal and external environment. Now the next one is the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm form, so this basically this cytoplasm consists of all cellular content between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. Okay, so this cytoplasm consists of cytosol and the organelles except nucleus. In the cytoplasm we have nucleus. Okay, ये nucleus होता है, but we cannot consider this nucleus into as a part of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is nothing but it is a cytosol and the organelles. So what is cytosol? So cytosol is the fluid portion of the plasma membrane. This you can see here this brown thing, this brown color. So it indicates the fluid portion of the cytoplasm contain water, dissolved solute and suspended particle. Within the cytosol there are different types of organelles are present. Okay, so each type of organelles have a characteristic shape and specific function. For example, like we have cytoskeleton, okay, we have smooth endoplasmic reticulum, we have Golgi complex, then we have rough endoplasmic reticulum. So all these are the part of cytoplasm, which is also termed as organelles. Okay, now the third one is the nucleus. So nucleus is a large organelle that houses the most of the cell DNA. Within the nucleus, each chromosome, a single molecule of DNA associated with several proteins, contain thousands of hereditary units called genes. Okay, this part that control most aspects of cellular structure and the function. Okay, so nucleus, this nucleus perform a very vital role. Okay, here a DNA is there. So in the DNA we have chromosome is nothing but we have genes in that, so that perform a very vital role. Okay, structural and functional activity is performed by the nucleus. Okay, so this is all about the parts of cell. So thank you very much.